I am officially a funded trader with Take Profit. Stick around, I'm going to show you how much I made to pass these accounts. I'm going to give you a step-by-step breakdown. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, now we are here on the trader dashboard, and as you can see, I have the stats pulled up here. We did 5 out of 5 days. You have to trade 5 days. It doesn't have to be back to back. It can be 5 days, you know, out of 10 days, however you do it, but it doesn't have to be consecutively. The rules was don't hit or exceed the 3,300 daily loss limit. All right, so the profit target was 9,000. We managed to make $9,050, almost even. Basically, I looked at the account like it was a $3,300, you know, you had a $3,300 drawdown. Next one is your biggest day cannot be more than 50%. Okay, so what that means is your biggest day cannot be more than 50% of this $9,000, your profit target. Okay, and as we can see, it says right here, my last profiting day, on the 5th day, I made $35.75, and it was 39%, 39.72%. Okay, all right, to show you guys exactly how this looks. Okay, so we started off around the 150 area, then we went straight up after this. You can see it's not really popping up. Okay, here we go. All right, 150 we started off at, then we went sorry, okay, so 150 we started off at, 153 we went up to, so about 3,000 the first day. Then we went up to 156, so it's about another 2,000 to 3,000. Then we went up 157. Then we went up to 157.90, 157.900. That was a light day. After I got up to a certain amount, I just traded lightly. And the last day, we did nice basically. So I kept this thing kind of steady the whole time, as you can see. Made 2,000 to 3,000. Try to make about 2,000 each day. The first day was my biggest day. The first and the second day, I believe, and then the next one, it just was smooth, as you can see. So once our balance came, first the balance starts off at 145,500. Then it goes up, it trails you. Okay, it trails you. Went to 148, then it stops at 150. Once you get past 150, it stops. Okay, so, and then it just stayed at 150 the whole time until I actually passed. Okay, so the first day we made $0. We didn't trade that first day. All right, that second day we had it activated. Second day we made 3212.50. Okay, so 3,200. All right, the next day we made 3,500. All right, that was on August 30th. September 2nd we made 700. September 3rd we made 450, and September 4th we made $1,112. All right, so, and this is how we passed the accounts. I'm going to show you guys the other ones. We made a little bit over on the last day. We kind of overachieved, but it was only 4%, 54%. So they kind of let me go on that, guys. They looked out for me on that. All right, because I made a little bit over. So as you can see, the profit target is 9,000, and the total that I made was 11. Okay, so it's the same thing, same rule, same. All right, but my last day was 4,800, guys. All right, now let's go. We ended this account off with 9,700 instead of the other ones was 9,000, even $9,050, but they let me go on this one. So this is the chart. We started off at 150, went up to 151, 155, 155.8, 156.50, and this one was, we hit 161. So we had a kind of big day at the last day. We had a big move. So now let's go down to the actual chart where it shows us how much we made. All right, so net P&L for the 29th was 1525 on these accounts. Because I split them up, I copy traded 2 of them at first because we got them too early. We bought them all at the same time, but they were the first ones that activated, so we started trading them first. So that's the reason the prices are different, because we copy traded 2 and then we copy traded 3, and at the end, whichever ones I pass, I took them out. If you have them in a group and you pass 1 or 2 of them, take them out of the group, okay, and then just trade the other ones. This is not financial advice, but that's what I would do. All right, so August 29th, 1525, August 30th, $3,500, $75. September 2nd, $700. September 3rd, $450. And the last day, as you can see, guys, we made $4,862 and 50 cents. All right, 4,800. So that put us a bit over, but we still managed to pass these. Okay, be just a bit different, but they all are the same exact thing, as you can see. Started at 150, 151, 155, 155, 156, then it just jumped to 161. That's the same exact thing on these ones. So as you can see, because I copy traded all of them, so they're all the same exact thing. All right, guys, so here are the certificates that they send. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are all 150K accounts. So this is totaling in 750K. All right, it says, "Dear Tevin, congratulations. Your account was approved by one of our admins." All right, guys. So as you can see, they were very lenient when it came to that 4%, and they let me pass through. I'm very grateful for that. I just wanted to show you guys the accomplishment, and just to give you guys some motivation and show you, if I can do it, you can do it too. All right, the longer you stay at something and the more determined that you are to succeed, all right, it will come for you. Okay, just stay disciplined. What I'll say, just stay on it. All right, don't give up. Doesn't matter how many times life throws you down, you get back up and fight. That's how I made it here. Honestly, I'm not perfect. I failed plenty of times before. All right, I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. But until you succeed, don't even give up when you succeed. All right, that's the beginning. Okay, so I want to thank all you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Peace.